Hey guys, Macintosh plus 1MB here. Today, I have a special treat for y'all. I recently got in the mail Macintosh 128k. You may ask yourself, didn't I already have one? Nope. It turns out I recently got a System 4.1 disc, and I checked, and it said 512k, which is kind of a disappointment. But I decided, since I could get this one so cheap, that I would. So it was broken. I got it and I repaired it, which was fairly easy. And I did check. Yes, it is original, 100% original, and for only $80. These are actually worth around $300, so that's kind of exciting. If you check completed listings on eBay, you won't see that many for around $80. You'll see them for usually $300. You can tell original Macintosh emblem on the back, and not sure if you can see, but it says M0001. So that's very cool. I got an awesome deal on this. Only $80 for a $300 worth collectible. That's so cool. Okay, and it's going to be a quick video demonstrating it. Okay, and if we click on About the Finder, Macintosh Finder, Bruce Horn and Steve Capps, 4.1, 128k. By the way, those lines on the screen, when I get close, that's just the CRT refresh rate. It's not actually in real life. But yeah, as you can tell, 128k of memory. The reason why it's actually important is because the original ones are worth a lot more. See, upgraded ones by themselves usually sell for $70, maybe $80. But this one's a non-upgrade, which is really awesome. Original 1984, and I checked, it was made in the 9th week of 1984. And it works great now that I fixed it. So I got an awesome deal. So, thank you for watching. Please tune in for my next videos if you're interested in Macs or Mac collecting. And peace off.